Maharashtra, namely Chandrakant Dada Patil, who is our ex students, for having accepted our invitation, and to our own beloved chairman Radhakrishnan sir, Governor of Maharashtra, for having come here and graced this.
The second recipient of the award is again. The next award goes to Bhadant Dr. Rahul Bodhi Mahatero, the Vice Singer. Then next award goes to the next award goes to Director of Education Maharashtra Rajya Pune, Dr. Shailendra, goes to Justice Surendra Tawde sir, President Maharashtra State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. The next award goes to Justice Surendra Tawde. The next award and Special Assistance, Government of Maharashra, the Trustee of People's Education Society and renowned Public People's Education Society and Senior Advocate of Supreme Court. I must begin the function with the quotation. Sachin Ward for elected. The next award goes to Balram Gaikwad, ex-in-charge Registrar of University of Mumbai and Director Tiwari. Sorry. Please come on, guys. Ankit Tiwari sir.
आयुष्यामध्ये शिका आणि संघर्ष करा अशा प्रकारचा संदेश दिला आणि त्याचाच एक भाग म्हणून त्यांनी आपली स्वतःची एक हक्काची शिक्षण संस्था असली.
तथागत भगवान गौतम बुद्धांच्या चरणी अभिवादन करून घटनेचे शिल्पकार डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांना मानवंदना.
मी तुम्हाला विचारतो की तुमची तब्येत, तो आपकी तब्येत है कैसी? मैं आपको पूछता हूँ कि आपकी तब्येत है कैसी?
राज्यपाल महामहिम श्री राधाकृष्ण सर.
I touch and salute the holy feet of Bharat Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. आज येथे उपस्थित सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार.